Hello everyone, I'm Kagan Lee, a student at Wichita State, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create instant ice through a process called nucleation. With this experiment, you can create spires of ice or instantly freeze a bottle or a cup of water. The required materials for this at-home science experiment is a simple unopened bottle of water, a bowl or cup, and some ice cubes. Firstly, we'll need to place a water bottle in the freezer and let that sit there for about 2 hours. After the 2 hours have passed, check on the water bottles to make sure they're visibly liquid. Now, I used multiple bottles as the water itself is sensitive to freezing if shook when it's that cold. Now go ahead and carefully unscrew the cap and pour the water onto the ice cube in that bowl. And now you have instant ice. One fun challenge for you and your classmates is how high you can make your tower of ice. As you can see, I'm trying to make my highest possible right here. One weird thing about this experiment is the ice created by this process seems almost gummy and elastic. Finally, one more thing that we can do is you can freeze the water inside the bottle by shaking it, allowing for the water molecules to interact and freeze onto each other, instantly freezing the whole water bottle. Thanks for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you.